Here's a review of the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3, Intel, 16 inches FHD plus Business Ultraslim laptop. Intel Core Ultra 7255H, 16 core, 24 MB cache, 16 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, Windows 11 Pro. That I've researched thoroughly across the internet so you can decide if it's genuinely worth it. Click the link in bio for details and pricing. First up, the processor. The Intel Core Ultra 7255H is a 16-core chip, 6 performance cores plus 8 efficiency cores plus 2 low-power cores, with a maximum turbo frequency up to approximately 5.1 GHz. That means you're getting a very high-end CPU for a business, ultraslim laptop, something that can handle heavy multitasking, software development, virtual machines, data workflows and more with ease. Next, memory and storage. While your listed configuration says 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB SSD, the spec sheet for this model confirms that it supports up to 64 GB DDR5 memory and large capacity PCIe SSDs. Having 16 GB and 1 TB is already a strong combination for business users. Enough for multiple applications, large files and flexibility. Display-wise, this is a 16 inches, often marketed as E16, but footprint bit smaller, FHD+. WUXGA panel, 1920x1200, according to listings. The ultra-sharp resolution combined with an ultra-slim, business build means you're getting both screen real estate and portable design. The backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader add to the business credentials. Connectivity and business features. The ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 includes Wi-Fi 6E support, based on standard for that class, business-grade security and manageability features, good port selection and business-ready OS, Windows 11 Pro. For example, the spec sheet lists the Core Ultra 7255H model with business feature set. In use, this means you'll be comfortable in corporate networks, hybrid work environments, connecting docks, displays and working from multiple locations. In real-world use, I found benchmarks of the ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 showing excellent single-core performance and strong productivity throughput. For instance, the CPU review noted a multi-core score of approximately 16,435 in Cinebench R23 for that CPU in this model. Practically that means running development IDEs, multiple browsers, VMs or heavy spreadsheets should feel smooth. The ultra-sharp display and light chassis, users noted, very light for its size, also make it a strong option for people who travel or move between desks. However, and let's be honest, there are trade-offs. First, while the CPU is top tier, some reviews point out that the cooling in the E16 chassis may limit sustained turbo performance compared to bulkier workstations. In long full-load multi-core tests it trailed the average for the 255H by about 20%. Second, business laptops like the E-series sometimes get fewer premium display or GPU options than dedicated creator, gaming machines. So if you're doing extremely color-critical work, ultra-high refresh, or heavy graphics rendering you may find limitations. Third, although the RAM storage capacity is high, if your purchase variant is lower, e.g., 16 GB, you may want to upgrade sooner depending on your workload. Ensures dual-channel memory for highest performance. Fourth, price-wise this class of laptop commands a premium due to the Ultra, CPU and business branding. So make sure the spec meets your needs rather than overpaying for unused headroom. So, is the ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 worth buying? After my research, yes, if you're a business professional, developer, consultant or power user who values top-tier CPU performance, large screen size in an ultra-slim chassis, business-grade features and good storage out of the box. If you'll use the high performance, handle large workloads, or travel between workspaces, this model fits very well. But if your work is mostly light office tasks, web browsing and documents, or if your priority is ultra portability or lowest cost, you may find a slightly lower tier model gives better value. Click the link below for the best price.